Hi, hope you guys are all doing great. Very recently there has been some news regarding change in format of INI-CET exam, and most of the students have received an official communication from INI-CET. So this video is an attempt to clarify the same. First and foremost, let me clarify that the scheme of the INI-CET exam is essentially the same. You have 200 multiple choice questions, 180 minutes, 1/3 negative marking. However, they're talking about change in the interface or how the questions appear, and for which they have given you access to a mock test link, which you can take up to get exposed to the new interface or new format. So what are the changes they're talking about? See, as you know, like we have these 200 multiple choice questions, and they've divided the entire exam according to new format into 4 parts. Each part will be of 45 minutes duration, and you will be exposed to 50 multiple choice questions per part, which means they have randomly divided the entire question paper into 4 parts. And the one important thing that you need to observe here is one part will be appearing to you at any particular point of time. For suppose if part A is visible or active right now, you are supposed to complete the questions in that part A, and after 45 minutes that part A will get submitted, and then part B will be visible or active. If you want to go back to part A, it's not possible. So one part at a time, and you're supposed to complete all questions related to that part in that 45 minutes duration itself. So this is one of the major changes they're talking about, and please remember that this is a new format for sure, and you need not panic about it. All you need to do is change your approach towards the exam, in the sense, rather than assuming that you're giving one test, consider that you're giving 4 mini tests, each test of 45 minutes duration, right? And you can also see the official communication in this video, and you have any further queries, you need any further assistance or guidance, feel free to get back 24/7. All the very best. Love you all.